Hi guys, welcome to the Explicit English channel. In this video, we are going to talk about forming plural with the nouns ending in Y. Two different scenarios apply here. We can have a noun that ends in a consonant and Y, and we can have a noun that ends in a vowel and Y. Let's talk about the first scenario when we have nouns ending with a consonant and Y. The rule for this scenario is that we have to change the final Y into an I, and we also have to add the ES to make the singular noun plural. So let's look at the word ability. Ability will become abilities. We took this final Y, we changed it into an I, and we added the ES to make this noun plural. Similarly, the word baby will become babies. The word bakery will become bakeries. And the word salary will become salaries. As you notice, the final Y is preceded by a consonant, T, B, R, and R. So every time when you have a noun that ends with a consonant and Y, you have to change the final Y into an I and add the ES to make it plural. Now you try. Can you make these nouns plural? Family, candy, agency, and country. If you can, please let me know in the comments. I would like to see your final endings. Now let's talk about the second scenario. Here we are going to talk about the nouns ending with a vowel and Y. The rule states that we just have to add an S. The ending pronunciation of S will also change. S will turn into a Z. So the word day plus S will become days. The word key plus S will become keys. The word holiday plus S will become holidays. And the word toy plus S will become toys. So why is this final S changing in its pronunciation? It's changing because the Y is preceded by a vowel, and we know that all vowels are actually voiced. So to assimilate and to make this pronunciation easy, this S will also turn into voiced sibilant, which is actually Z. Can you guys try to make these nouns plural? Overlay, highway, guy, and kidney? Let me know in the comments, and also try to practice pronouncing these words as you write them out. Okay, so you have to hear yourself saying these Z's at the end. If you guys benefited from this video, please don't forget to like and share, and watch also another video we made about the forming plurals and how we pronounce different regular plurals endings differently. And thank you guys for watching this video.